In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Todoist to Google Calendar so your tasks and schedule stay perfectly in sync. This simple setup can save you a ton of time and make sure nothing ever slips through the cracks. Start by opening the Todoist web app on your computer or the Todoist app on your phone if that's easier. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner and click on your avatar. This opens your account menu, and from here you'll want to select the settings option. Inside settings, locate the section labeled calendars. This is where you will find the option to connect Google Calendar. Go ahead and select it. Todoist will now ask you which Google account you want to sync with. Choose the account you use for your scheduling, then continue to allow the necessary permissions. This step is important because it lets Todoist and Google Calendar communicate smoothly in the background. Once permissions are granted, you'll be taken back to your Todoist settings automatically. Now scroll to the Sync Tasks to Calendar section. Turn this on to ensure your Todoist tasks instantly begin appearing on your Google Calendar. From this point forward, every task you add in Todoist will automatically sync, update and display right alongside your regular events. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Todoist to Google Calendar. This quick integration is one of the easiest ways to keep your entire day organized in one place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your productivity.